Okay, it's time to open this thing up, and you notice it looks a little bit different. Something I noticed afterwards. During the video, I said I was going to dye the star in yellow, add some orange highlights, dye the rest of the tapestry in bright green, and add emerald. Well, I noticed when I went to open it up this morning that the only thing I'd put on was the bright green and the yellow. So during the video, I must have just spaced it and forgot to add them. So I went ahead and added them this morning, and then I steam set it in my little vegetable steamer out there. So anyways, that's why it looks different now than what it did on Wednesday. Okay, so this here is going to be our points, and like I say, it looks like we got some good saturation in there. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Alrighty, there's the 7 pointed star. So we'll get this rinsed and washed and posted later.